Now we've created our installer card and our setup card, we can program the units. Now what to do is to visit each unit individually one at a time and firstly insert the installer card. Now the monitor will let you know once it's been programmed. There'll be a beep, it will let you know that it's done. You can remove the installer card and then insert the setup card. And again, you'll know once the monitor is programmed. Visit each unit in a particular order. Remember that order or write down the order that you visited the units, because the units will be numbered in order from the first number on the installer card. So for example, you set up your installer card to begin at unit number 1. The second unit that you visit will be automatically named as unit number 2, and then the unit after that number 3, number 4, number 5, and so on. Or you could have set up your installer card to begin at unit number 10, in which case the first unit will be 10, the second 11, 12, 13. The installer card will automatically do that as it goes through the units. You just have to remember which order you did it in, so that then you can name the units in the Hygiene Monitor program. And that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to visit admin, and I'm simply going to go to add new unit. Remember, this is just naming the units so that then when you get your reports, you know which unit number corresponds to which unit you have. So for example, I'm going to imagine that the first unit I visited was the men's ground floor. And I'm going to name that unit number 1, because that's the first one that I visited, and my installer card began at unit number 1. And then I'm going to imagine that the second unit that I set up was the ladies' ground floor. So I will add new unit and put ladies' ground floor was unit number 2. And you carry on doing that and until you've named all of your units. So we could imagine that the final unit that I installed today was unit number 20, and we could have ladies 5th floor unit number 20. Okay, and that's all you need to do for naming your units. Of course, it's very simple as well to edit a unit. So our unit number 1 was men's ground floor. Imagine I've made a mistake and actually that was unit number 4, for example. You just simply go to edit unit and click OK, and that will have relabeled the unit with number 4 instead of number 1. And you can delete units by selecting the unit and simply deleting. And that's it really. That's how to name your units in the Hygiene Monitor program.